guys, today we talk about how can you log out of your account on your pickup. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, clicking on this sign down here. When you just click on it, when you click in this sign, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do, just go down here, you keep going down. So when you just go down here, you click here on logout. When you just click here on logout here, so then here automatically it's going to take you out of your account on your pickup. So that's all you have to do to log out of your account. Just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.